হ্যালো ফ্রেন্ডস, ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু মাই চ্যানেল উইথ এ নিউ ভিডিও। তো আজকে থাম্বনেল দেখে তোমরা বুঝতেই পেরেছো যে কোন টপিকে তোমাদের সাথে কথা বলবো। তো চলো বেশি দেরি না করে আজকের টপিকে প্রবেশ করা যাক। আজকের টপিক হচ্ছে থার্মাল ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং। তো দেখো প্রথমে কি লেখা আছে। তো এটা তোমাদেরকে একটা শর্ট নোটস দিচ্ছি, তোমরা এটাকে নিজেরা লিখেও নিতে পারো। So, thermal engineering is a specialized discipline of mechanical engineering that deals with the movement of heat energy and transfer. Since the energy can be transformed between two medium or transfer into other forms of energy. A thermal engineering must have knowledge of thermodynamics and the process to convert generate energy from thermal sources into chemical, mechanical or electrical energy. তো এটা হচ্ছে ভূমিকা। নেক্সট হচ্ছে থার্মোডাইনামিক্স। A knowledge of thermodynamics is essential to nuclear energy who deal with nuclear power reactors. Thermodynamics is the science that deals with energy production, storage, transfer, and conversion. It studies the effect of work, heat, and energy on a system. Thermodynamics is both a branch of physics and an engineering science. The physicist is normally interested in getting a fundamental understanding of the physical and chemical behavior of fixing quantities of matter at rest and use the laws of thermodynamics to relate the properties of matter. Engineers, our goal here will be to introduce thermodynamics as the energy conversion. To introduce some of the fundamental concepts and definitions that are used in the study of engineering thermodynamics. These fundamental concepts are definition will be further applied to energy and finally to thermal or nuclear power plants. Next হচ্ছে fluid mechanics. Fluid mechanics is the branch of thermal engineering concerned with the mechanics of fluids যেমন হচ্ছে liquid, gases and plasms and the forces on them. It can be divided into fluid statics, the study of fluid at rest, and fluid dynamics. Fluid dynamics is a subdiscipline of fluid mechanics that deals with fluid flow. Fluid dynamics is one of the most important of all areas of physics. Life as we know it would not exist without fluids, and without the behavior that fluids exhibit, the air we breathe and the water we drink, and which make up of our body mass and fluids are fluids. Fluid dynamics has a wide range of application including calculating forces and movements on aircraft. সেটা হচ্ছে aerodynamics, determining the mass flow rate of water through pipelines সেটা হচ্ছে hydrodynamics. Fluid dynamics is an important part of most individual process, especially those involving the transfer of heat in nuclear reactors. The heat removal from the reactor core is accomplished by passing a liquid of gaseous coolant through other regions where heat is generated. The nature and operation of the coolant system is one of the most important consideration in the design of a nuclear reactor. Heat transfer and mass transfer. Heat transfer is an engineering discipline that concerns the generation, use, conversion, and exchange of heat thermal engineering between physical system. In power engineering, it determines key parameters and materials of heat exchangers. Heat transfer is as usually classified into various mechanisms such as CFD, numerical simulation sources, CFD deployment, heat transfer, heat conduction, also called diffusion, occurs within a body or between two bodies in contact. It is the direct particles through the boundary between two systems when an object it is at a different temperature from another body or its surroundings. Heat convection. Heat convection depends on motion of mass from one region of space to another. Heat convection occurs when bulk flow of a fluid (a gas or liquid) carries heat along with the flow of matter in the fluid. Thermal radiation. Radiation is heat transfer by electromagnetic radiation such as sunshine with no need for matter to be present in the space between bodies. এখানে হচ্ছে Q is equal to H delta T convection, radiation, conduction. In engineering, the terms convective heat transfer is used the combined effects of conduction and fluid flow. At the point we have to added a new mechanism as a advection, the transport of a substance by bulk motion. From the thermodynamic point of view, heat flows into a fluid by diffusion to increase its energy. The fluid then transfers its increases thermal energy, not heat, from one location to another, and this is the followed by a second thermal interaction with transfer heat to a second body or system, again diffusion. তো বন্ধুরা, এটা হচ্ছে একটা শর্ট নোটস দিলাম তোমাদেরকে থার্মাল ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং এর ওপরে। তো ভিডিওটা যদি ভালো লেগে থাকে তো অতি অবশ্যই একটা লাইক করবে আর চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দেবে। ইন ফিউচার এইরকম ভিডিও তোমাদের সামনে আনতেই থাকবো। দেখা হচ্ছে বন্ধুরা নেক্সট ভিডিওতে, নেক্সট কোনো একটা ইন্টারেস্টিং টপিক নিয়ে আসবো তোমাদের সামনে। ততক্ষণের জন্য ভালো থাকবেন, সেফ থাকবেন, শুভরাত্রি, বাই বাই।